sur les deux matchs de l'équipe haïtienne contre l'Espagne et l'Italie. C'est Jean-Julien Avesca irréprochable. Jean-Julien Avesca qui livrait deux belles prestations face à deux grandes sélections nationales.
So much noise with that thing? Yes, I'm cooking. I'm trying to watch the soccer match. Okay, so I stop. No. You keep on cooking, okay? You're lucky I love you. I will ship you back to Haiti. Whoa. Jesus Christ! Kick them all, my friend. This is soccer. This guy's a dummy. Look at this guy. You have to kick them all. Kick it. What are you doing? I should have played soccer for Brazil, eh? Yeah, but you're from Haiti, Pops. Doesn't Haiti have a soccer team? Yes, but I want to play for Brazil. Hey, Mom. Hey, how are you, my son? I'm making your favorite, the rice and neguillo. Nah, Mom, I'm trying to watch my weight. I can't really eat that stuff. No, this is good for you. This is not the McDonald's. All right. I'll just take a little, all right? I'm going upstairs. Wait, what's that? What's what? That thing in your ear, what's that? Oh, this is a stud. A stud? What's a stud? It's like a little earring they put in your ear when you first get your ear pierced. What? You pierced your ear? No. Jesus Christ! My friend, is something wrong with your brain? You crazy? No, it's not true. I see it from here. No, not my son. Why you do that for? No, not my son. It's only a fashion statement, okay? You think I come to America for this? For you to have the fashion? Oh, no, not my son! You want me to call the police? For what? Because you are a thug, my friend. I'm a thug? I'm not